Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And today, we have a video for one very special viewer in mind.
I was gonna say it's highly requested, and it is highly requested, but apparently by only one person.
This lovely commenter has requested so many times for us to do hidden compartment DIYs, and yes, we read our comments, and yes, we have noticed, girl.
So we're gonna do hidden compartment DIYs for just a little bit.
I honestly really appreciate the dedication in requesting this, so I'm so happy that we're doing this. And I assume because she loves it so much, that other people might be curious in this as well.
Yeah.
When we were doing research, I was like, I don't even know, but now that we've done it, I'm really excited, and these are actually very cool.
These are some dope, these are dope.
So thank you just a little bit. Thank you.
For inspiring this video.
So we have, did we even say what they are? Hidden compartment DIYs.
They're hidden compartment DIYs.
So essentially they are DIYs that look cool but also can hide your things that need to be hidden.
Secrets.
I'm not telling you what to hide, it's up to you. But if you need something put out of plain sight, here's some DIYs for you.
Should we tell them about that thing also?
Yes, so we also have another really exciting announcement. I feel like we've had a lot of really exciting announcements lately, but we have launched new merch. So this is a t-shirt that specifically goes out to the vlog fam mostly, but also here on the main channel.
Yeah, it says nervous laugh, and it's just something we do. And yeah, it's kind of like a vlog fam inside joke. If you guys aren't a part of the vlog fam, I think you're missing out a little bit, but that's okay. You can check out the vlog fam, you can check out our merch, and it's only available for a couple more days. So we're doing like a limited edition run just to see what's up, but we also always have our patches up on our website too. So we got some fun things you should check out.
So if you're interested in this cool, sort of minimalist, but also like fun, inside joke, be trendy, to be nervous about life. 3 more days, check out the link below.
All right, should we get into these DIYs?
Yes.
Yeah. So first up, we're going to show you how to make a plant, one of our favorite things, into a hidden compartment DIY.
This is so good, y'all.
It's so good. So you're gonna start with whatever pot that you'd like, and I'm using a medium-sized one, which I got from the thrift store. For the next part, you'll need a piece of cardboard. This is gonna act as like the lid of our hidden compartment. Trace the top of your pot to find the rough size of your tray. Next, cut a strip of the same cardboard and add it to the inside of your pot about 1 inch down to be the ledge to catch your tray. If the lid isn't fitting perfectly, you can make a little bit of adjustments to the cardboard circle by trimming it down. Wow. Next, it's time to add the faux plant. So we have a pretty realistic looking agave plant that has like a long bottom, which is going to help us attach it to our tray. I used an X-Acto knife and cut an X in the center of the cardboard and pushed the plant through. Then I used some hot glue to make sure that it really stayed in place. As a final step, we're using some garden rocks to cover the rest of the cardboard. I used more hot glue to add these all around the base of the plant. Once your lid is done, you can hide like anything you want in here, and it looks so realistic. Like, I don't think anybody's gonna be walking by and like pulling up
It's so good.
on your plant. Just make sure that you or nobody else decides to water this plant.
Your items will get saggy.
Yeah.
Okay, so next up, this is a little bit of a sort of more complicated DIY, but it's still not that hard to do. And this is genius as well. This is a floating shelf that also acts as a hidden compartment. So we're gonna start by making the inside part of the shelf first. Start with a 1 by 3 inch piece of pine wood. Cut 1 long piece and 2 shorter pieces. I cut the 1 long to 24 inches and the 2 shorter ones to 7.5 inches. Next, I have this 2 foot by 2 foot 1/4 inch plywood, which is going to be the bottom of the hidden compartment. I'm marking 8 1/4 inches up on one side and cutting this off. Once you have all your pieces cut, you can start to form the shape of the inner shelf. I'm going to use wood glue and nails to hold the outer frame together. Next, I'm going to attach the bottom piece using the same technique, but with smaller finishing nails to go around the edge. Once you flip it over, you can start to see the space that all your hidden items will go into. So moving that aside for later, I'm taking a 1 by 4 inch piece of pine and measuring out another 3 pieces. It helps to use the first box that we built as a measuring guide when cutting out your next 3 pieces, so you make sure that it fits together well. We're essentially building the same thing we did before, but slightly bigger, so it fits on top. My long piece is going to be 25 3/4 inches, and my short pieces are 8.5 inches. Cut these to size and follow the same steps of assembling again. This should feel pretty familiar. So I also have a really hot hack for you that I didn't...
Wait, did we just go from pro tip to hot hack?
Oh my God, I love
it.
Wait. I just found out about this recently and I thought I would test it out today because it like blew my mind about how cool it is. If you want to nail something together but you don't want to see the nails on the outside, which I don't want to for this front piece because you're going to see it, what you can do is use some wood glue and then add your nails in on the inside and then make sure they're not long enough that they're going to stick out. And use some strong like wire cutters and just cut the tops off the nail. So essentially you have like a staple kind of at this point. And then you can put your top piece on and hammer it into place and it will hold it. Crazy.
Hot hack.
Hot hack. Next, we're using more of that 1/4 inch plywood, but a slightly longer piece to cut 2 larger pieces out. Use your 3-sided frame to help you measure this out perfectly. Using more wood glue and nails, attach both sides to your frame. This piece with the top and the bottom should fit perfectly over the inside piece we made earlier to act as the cover for all your hidden things. Sand your finished pieces and paint or stain them whatever color you'd like. I went with this beautiful blush pinky beige, which we've been loving lately. So to hang this, all you need to do is use 2 long screws to go in the back piece of the inner shelf. Make sure you screw this into a wall stud or using strong wall plugs so that it doesn't fall down. Once that's up, all you really need to do then is slide the cover over top, and you have a gorgeous floating shelf, and B, a place to hide anything you need to on the inside.
This would be so good as nightstands. If you made it like a little bit smaller.
Yes.
Whew. Like,
oh my God.
Why haven't we done this?
I don't know.
I don't know.
We did it now, and I love it. Even if you don't have to hide anything and you just want a floating shelf,
this is how you make it.
This is it.
So this final one we have for you is a little bit simpler. We can all achieve this, and we don't need any power tools.
We can all achieve everything though.
We can't all achieve everything. We can achieve this one without power tools.
You got it.
We got this. We're going to be turning a candle into a hidden compartment. Candle.
Love it.
Starting with a pillar candle, find a glass container which is smaller than the width of your candle. I'm using a spice container with this screw-on lid. Remove the wick from the candle and put it aside for later. Trace around the bottom of your container onto the bottom of the candle, and then start to scrape out the wax using an X-Acto knife. Be careful when scraping out the insides of your candle because as you scrape away the sides, it gets a little bit thinner so your candle can get more fragile. Also, just be careful because you're using a knife. Keep scraping away and testing the placing of your container every so often until it can be hidden completely inside the candle. You can also experiment with different tools like a slot head screwdriver or anything you have. A chisel. I was looking for a chisel but I couldn't find it.
Oh, I have it.
You have it?
Yeah. You should have asked me. It was in my bag the whole time.
Oh, gosh. Gosh darn. That's okay. I made it work with like a screwdriver head just so that it was a little bit longer because the X-Acto knife at a certain point is just like not long enough.
I feel like even a spoon could work.
Yeah, depending on your wax. Yeah, totally. Since I was removing a lot of wax, I decided to make a second candle with the leftovers in this cute little mug that I found at the thrift store. I used the main part of the wick from the first candle and the leftover wax to make the second candle in the mug. I think it looks really cute. And if you want to see more videos on how to make a DIY candle, we have a couple videos on those and we'll link it below. I scraped a bit of wax away from the edges of the circle just at the bottom of the candle so that there was space to close the lid easily. Once you're happy with the fit, add some hot glue to attach your container to the roof of the candle. And then flip your candle back over and reattach just a little portion of your wick with a little bit of hot glue. We're really just doing this so that it still looks like a candle and not a wax blob. You're also going to want to light your candle and let it burn for just a few minutes to make it look realistic and like it's been used. It's a real candle. Definitely only leave this burning for like a couple of minutes because your wick isn't like really attached and we have something inside this candle. Like you can't use it as a real candle, but style it with a bunch of other candles and it's gonna look real. But yes, again, just don't burn this candle. It is no longer a candle. It is a hidden compartment DIY candle. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all about hidden compartment DIYs, things we didn't know we needed.
Yes.
Until right now.
Thank you to whoever recommended this multiple times. I'm glad we did it because I love how these all turned out. So if you have any burning DIY requests, don't feel afraid to hit us up in the comments because we do read them.
That was good because like candle.
Ah.
And also, if you guys want to check out the vlog fam, that's something that we're really proud of and looking to have more people join the fam. And if you want to get your hands on some TSG merchandise, the link will be below. And it's only a couple more days, so
Get on that.
yeah, now. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like.
And if you love it, make sure you sub it.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.